Hey everyone, it's Stef from the KulaKREW. Today I'll be creating a mug at Kulapix.com. So let's head over to Photo Gifts, select Mugs, choose the size. There is 11 ounce, 15 ounce, or 20. I'm going to choose 15. Select my inside color, choose black, and hit continue. It now brings me to the theme page. If you want to get creative and design your own from scratch, click the Design Your Own. Within each theme, there are sub-themes and then matching templates. I'm going to be making a fall mug, so I'm going to go down to Seasons, select Fall, and check out some of these templates. I'm going to select Fall in Love, hit Build It, and it is now launching the mug builder. I'm now going to choose if I want to upload new photos to use for my project, or use already uploaded photos that I have saved in my albums. I don't have my photos yet, so I'm going to select Upload New. Type in a name for your new folder, and then hit OK. And choose if you're going to upload your photos from My Computer, Facebook, Flickr, or Picasa. My photos are on my computer. I'm going to find the folder, select which ones I want to bring in, and to select more than one photo at once, click the first one, hold down the Shift key, click the last, and press Open. My upload automatically begins. If at any time you want to cancel an upload, select the X right beside the loading bar, or to cancel all remaining, the bottom left corner. My upload is now complete, so I'm going to select Continue. Now I'm going to choose if I want to manually place those photos into the project by myself, or autofill my mug. I'm going to select Autofill, and using the selected photos, it will build it for me. And as you've noticed, it has already grabbed a layout that uses one portrait and one landscape to match my photos. In the bottom left corner, you'll notice a mini 3D rendering of your mug. Click and flick to spin. The great thing about this is that anything I do on my artboard automatically updates. Now let's double click on this. I now have a larger view. Again, let's click and flick. This is a great way to check out the way your mug will look. Another way to switch between views, other than double clicking, is to go over to the top and switch between the 3D and the artboard view. Now, let's check out the design. I'm going to go over to Backgrounds, browse through some of these, and see if there's anything else I might want to use. I'm going to apply this one here, so I'm going to drag and drop. Perfect. I'm going to click on this photo and see if there's another border, so I'll have two that are different. Let's see what this one here looks like. I like that one a lot. Actually, I want to make this one also have leaves, so let's see what it looks like with that one. Perfect. I'm going to remove these flowers just by clicking on the X. I'm going to rotate this, tuck it under, and another way to delete, just by selecting the object, move up to the top, and hit the trash bin. Okay, I am now happy with my product and ready to order. So let's head down to the bottom and select Add to Cart. And it now prompts me to save my work. Type in what you would like to call your project. Let's call this one here Autumn, and at any time while building your project, you can always save your work by hitting the Save button located right beside the Add to Cart button. So let's save as new project. It is now loading a final preview before you send off to print. And now let's click and flick to spin. If in case you added any text, be sure to double check the spelling. Everything looks good, and I'm ready to add to cart. If in case you have to make any changes and go back to the builder, select the button that says Edit. You can also press the Share button and share with a friend via Facebook, Twitter, or email. I'm going to click Add to Cart, and now confirm that I have double checked my work. And it now brings me to the recipient page. Here I'm going to choose where I want the product to be sent. I can choose myself or any other addresses I have saved in my address book. I can also add a new recipient, and on the right hand side, adjust the quantity. I'm going to make one mug for myself and another for Laura. So 1 and 1, and hit continue. It now brings me to a matching item window. If I select Build It under any of these products, it will automatically load these products with the theme I have just used for a mug. I'm going to just make the mug for now, so let's select the X, and you'll notice that I have 2 as my quantity, 1 for me and 1 for Laura. Over here I have the mug details. From the drop down, I can go back to preview, edit the product options such as the size or the inside color. I can edit the quantity, remove from cart, or change and add the recipients. I'm ready to check out. On the left-hand side, I'm going to fill in my information. I already have my information saved in my profile, so checkmark this box and it autofills those forms for me. On the right-hand side, I'm going to fill in all of the credit card information. When I'm ready, I'm going to place order. Have fun creating your mug, and I'll talk to you soon.